Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to crochet a cute scrunchie. Let's get started. So to start with this project, all I'm gonna be needing is just a 5mm hook and a hair tie at any size, doesn't matter, and also a acrylic yarn or any kind of yarn, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna start off with making a loop. It's just gonna do just how I do it, and then I'm gonna chain 12 in total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 12, and then I am going to take my hair tie and I'm gonna place the chain, and I'm gonna join to the end of the chain at the tail. Just do exactly like I do. I don't really know how to explain it. So yeah, pull it through the chain, and yeah, don't forget to prepare a half double crochet to the back loop of the chain only. Just gonna prepare a half double crochet to every stitches until you get the depth of the scrunchie, or you see how I do it at the end of the video. So I'll just be fast forwarding because it's kind of boring. So now that you can see the depth of it coming out slowly and slowly and slowly. half double crochet along the stitches. Yay! So in order to know when to stop making the half double crochet, you're just gonna have to try it on. Just simple as that. See? So we finally reached at the end of the project. So at this step, all you need to do is to join those both ends together. I actually just randomly slip stitch through any stitches to join them. Hopefully you could follow. Lastly, as for the extra tail that we just cut off, I'm just gonna weave it in through the scrunchie and make it invisible. So yeah, we finally made it a scrunchie. Well, thanks for watching, guys.